Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge with Interest. Guys, as you know, I started a series Daily Days, in which I was telling you about the whole unique days which we celebrate in our year. So today is 22nd of April, and I'm sure that you know what the day we celebrate today. So the day is Earth Day. Now, three questions arise when we heard about the day and what the date, which date we celebrate this day. So the three questions are: who started this? What was the motive behind to starting this? And how to celebrate the day? So these three questions arise, and I'll answer these questions. So first, I go through the history part. Who started this? In which country this was started? So Earth Day basically started by US. The native of US, Gaylord Nelson, he started this. Now, why he started this? What was the reason he started this? Because he was concerned about the earth. He know that there are many problems which our earth is facing. So to minimize these type of problems which faces the earth, he started this. He started the Earth Day. So this was the history part. Now I'll go through the motto part. Why there is a need of to celebrate Earth Day? Why we celebrate Earth Day? Why Mr. Nelson started this? So as you know, there are many problems which are faced by our Earth, like. There are many problems like global warming, population, pollution, and many other things are there which our earth is facing. So to minimize these problems, we celebrate Earth Day. The motto behind this, the motto behind the day is only that we minimize those problems which are faced by our earth. So now the main thing is how to celebrate this. Guys, there is a term, sustainable development. So do you know what the sustainable actually is? In short, in very short, we can say that the development which provide us our needs without compromising the needs of our future generation. So are we doing this? Are we thinking about the needs of our future generation? No. But we are only thinking about our needs. So the development is not going to be sustainable. So the main thing is sustainable development. We have to think about the sustainable development. First thing is there. Now second thing, we have to finish the individuality. Like what I think about the individuality. What is the term individuality in the Earth Day? So there is a, suppose that there is a person who is eating some kurkure and other things, and when he threw the packet, he know that if he throw the packet, this will be the cause of pollution. But he do not think about this and throw the packet, because he think that if only I do, what will be the impact? But there will be a great impact if one person do not think about individuality, second will not think, third will not think, fourth will. So there will be many persons who do not think about the individuality. So this is going to a very good impact in our environment. It is going to be a great impact in our environment. So we have to reduce the individuality. And third, what we can do, we can plant some trees. You know that how can we celebrate the Earth Day? I am just telling you about what I think. And fourth thing, what I want to say, that there are many students in our nation. So what is our great need? And pens are our great need. Pen papers, like pens are our needs. So what you can do, you can use ink pen. Why I'm saying that, why we have to use ink pen? If you are not able to use ink pen, you can buy some refills also, because the plastic, the pen hold, it can be the reason of a great pollution. Now another thing is, like, we used to drink shakes, and when we drink shakes, we use some straws, a thick straw which is made by the plastic, and it is the learning that these plastic straws are the main pollutants in our earth, like in our environment. So we have to reduce the use of these type of straws. And one another thing is there, the brand report. The first brand report raised a question that we are leaving a scorched planet and a ailing planet to our successor. Guys, we have not to be that much greedy, because the successors are also human beings. They have also some need. So we have to save this earth for them also. So this is how we can celebrate this day. So please celebrate this day. Make sure that you are leaving some thing for your successor. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you tomorrow.